Hey everybody, Anthony Pezzello, Keller Williams Realty, East Monmouth, your resource for all things real estate. It's about that time of the year for me. I have my new shipment of filters coming in for my forced warm air / central air conditioning unit I have in my basement. This is one of the thicker units. It is recommended on these per manufacturer that you change it every 12 months. I'll probably change it more frequently. Other things you'll probably see on some of them, it'll have a date. I don't know if you can see it, but the date, just to remind you when you put it in. Another easy thing, go on your Google Calendar, iCalendar, for the iPhone, set up a reminder to change the filter. I always have a couple extra in stock because these are things you don't remember. But if you're changing it, your air is going to be cleaner, your equipment will be cleaner, it'll extend the life, hopefully, for your equipment. Save more time and money along the way. So make sure you check the last time you did put in your filter. Some of them have the returns too, where they're coming in. They'll have filters on that, so check that out also. Guys, you should maintain your equipment, especially when it comes to reselling your house. Any service records you have or things done, keep them handy because it's only going to enhance the selling possibility of the house and could set you apart and make you appeal a lot more better than other homes that you're competing against in the market. Everybody have a great day. Any questions, feel free to call me. And I'll talk to you soon.